So they're in that part.
Do they come back at night to the same nest, or do they make different nests
Every
night?
single night they make new nest. In the morning, nest looks dirty. They poop in the nest, so they don't return to the same nest. So first,
Mission. One is stay back. You have a phone? Take pictures. If you have a phone,
I didn't bring mine because I transferred the ball to something.
Don't worry. No. imikino nayo turi kumwe nayo hano.
is looking at you. Ayo, agomba kujya umushyitsi genda. Umushyira umushyitsi rwose. That baby has no name yet. Even the other one we saw on the other side. They don't have names.
She's less than here. Less than here.
Yes. That one is 3 months. 3 months old. She can't go to the back. She's always in the chest of mom. Her mother is called Happiness. His noise print, her noise print is easy to read, to keep in memory. Themselves. No.
Norton.
Can you do
That rice, Norton.
step back? Good. Thank you. Welcome. If the babies have enough space, that's when they play and have a good show. So those 2 babies are less than 1 year.
Less
Are they?
than 1 year.
Less than 1 year. We have like 4 of them. Less than 1 year. They have same father but different mothers. They're too young.
How old is this one?
This one is 3 years.
3 years. Oh, he's very
Aba bana ntabwo babasiga bati wowe mujyane ntacyo n'ubundi.
Don't worry. She's interested in gathering those vinyls. She will not fall down to you.
Thank you. Thank you.
He listened to you, didn't he? Couple twigs in front.
Okay.
That's what I need, I am. It's up at 3 o'clock.
Diana? Diana?
Uncle Baby. So big. See you, baby. Down.
Fall this way.
They can born at the same, in the same week, but from different matters.
Bless you.
Yeah. Yeah, that's cool.
Food.
That's the
I saw her, we arrived here. Here. So I saw her going there.
But if you just saw her sitting there like that, you could have come.
I'm over there now.
With the mama of one of the babies. Oh, she knows the daddy is there. So the baby in between. It's fine.
That's right. That's right.
You're right.
That is in care.
Missed that little.
You are so it's showing up. By now, that side is better.
I'm done.
What do you mean?
I took the big lens. Sorry. I can give it to you.
No, it's good that you have it.
Yeah.
All right.
Satan.
Into my. I mean, it's held on.
Yeah, you could cover it.
No, it's not. I'm not attacking.
Sure. Attack.
Well, it took us a while, but we sure found it. Had to work for it.
We are jungle people. We deal with their tracks until we spot them. Yeah.
Does remind me when I go home, I've got to mow the lawn.
There's another baby in the bush coming up. Tiny babies.
Oh, yeah.
But they're all heading where
Yeah.
silverback is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's going to bite his hands.
Sure. That's the intention of young baby. 2 babies are now
Yeah.
showing out.
We're going to go through that gap.
Yeah, strips about that.
Young baby's grooming herself.
No, to your right. To your right. To your right.
Scratchy. Agiye kuzana ibikapu. twasanze tutarasubiye hano hantu haravunanye ntabwo turahasubira.
I don't know to whom a message is addressed to.
They're in there. Come on, come out.
hano ntiyapfuyemo hafi.
Abantu se ko batagera aha.
What does that mean? What does that mean?
The gorilla who is a bit down is trying to grab a vine that one is sitting on. So that one is saying, please avoid doing so. Yeah. And the silverback is nearby, so he knows it's gonna be better. But when conflict is rising up in the big noise, silverback can intervene.
They're hanging inside,
Yeah.
the babies.
Yeah. Yes,
Uri kuzireba.
duce munsi ni inshobo mu gisura sinzi ko byava hano umugina se wadufasha.
Oh, another baby coming through.
Actually it's a good spot, but it can, when we get all of us up here, it can break.
Yeah.
It can go down accidentally. They're coming back.
Hajya hazamo umwe.
Yeho uri kureba iki aho ngaho? Gera bireba ko hari ikigiye. Mubona hari uko bimeze.
That's it, all of you come back.
Are you ready? But there's a gap. If your leg went through, you are in danger. Use this bamboo. And better sit down and use arms walking. Use your... Okay. It's also jungle man,
Yes.
I can say. Jump, bimeze gute?
Hanika muze murabitangira kureba hano rero.
Good. We are going to have a look on silverback number 1 going this way. Kandi ngo garuka inyuma uzuba fata. Garuka inyuma uzuba shikira.
But I'm trying to put it in the bag.
Barakenera ababafasha. Barakenera ababafata akaboko.
Yeah, my phone.
Barakenera
Nataka?
ababafata akaboko.
Ahita atayla. Ahita atayla.
Oh, that's right. I'm sorry. I'm so dense.
So we are going to have a selfie with silverback before we take last photo.
I'm going to switch behind you.
Yeah.
Silverback
We'll
down.
go this way.
Right, okay.
Umukecuru mugumana.
Are we ready?
Gather them,
Yeah.
then follow.
You saw the bite he took you there?
Hagati uvuye bwa bwana bitabwiye ukomeze kweka. Hano wagira ziri muri etaje.
Harimo ingagi zirenga.
Number 1 silver.
Number 1.
Yeah, be careful. He might see you and see a challenger.
I'm not sure for who is going to be the winner.
Yeah, that's tough.
Hard to tell.
Hakigarama. Abariko.
Ariko turashaka inzira ntabwo turashobora
Iyo hasi harimo ingagi n'izindi hariya.
niyo nziza.
Little ones there.
aha niho nta kibazo tugitemo buriya bimwe ariko hano harimo igisoro kiraduhambiye oya hasi harimo inzira nuko nyine hano mu ishyamba iyo umaze iminsi ngaho utahagenda haba hafatanye so iyi nzira nziragaragara iri hano hasi
So we have five more minutes with the gorillas. Then we leave.
Is there a helicopter
I will get a helicopter for you. I'll take you on my shoulder. Don't worry.
I want 4 porters and a mattress.
Very good, man.
Welcome. I need each group to have a picture with the big boss.
Yeah, that would be hard to get the group together.
Yeah, we are too many. I think, yeah.
Like now, I can have
Take a
it.
picture already with the ball.
Better you join, then you stay where you are. Then I try from here. I have a lot of them.
Okay.
Okay, here, John.
Throw it. I'm good at. I did volleyball somewhere. I did. I wish you turn eyes to me.
Me?
Okay. Okay. You okay, Diana?
Yeah.
That is jungle
tuck and
and
roll
life.
man.
You are doubting, very well.
It's a quick way down too. Just tuck and roll.
Thank you, John.
Thank you, John.
You're welcome. I took the guy, but under part of the chin. We'll go.
You want more?
I try more.
Yeah.
More.
Pardon me.
imanuka hepfo ntabwo ishinze ariko barashaka gusubiza munsi
John's gonna try another picture.
ibikapu biraho none
Okay.
biraturiye Okay, I tried.
Thank you so much.
So I tried for Diana and John to
Yeah, they thought